Jill and Jack are execs in ABC Enterprises company, where Jill is head of the procurement department, and Jack is running test automation practice. Invoice processing application is a high-importance software at ABC Enterprises that has been used by Jill's team daily and tested by Jack's team. During the testing phase, Jack's group uses automated processes performing application and user steps throughout the business process. At the same time, Jill's group perform the same steps within their daily task routine manually, separately from the testing. They invest a lot of man-hours in the repetitive processes that would require additional time to be automated and would be double the cost for ABC Enterprises. Luckily, Jack's team is using ZAPTEST for automation, and ABC leadership has asked Jill's team to use scripts developed for testing into RPA bots for daily executions. ZAPTEST software automation allows for seamless automation of the end-user processes through any digital interface, regardless of the technology of the application under automation. During the automated process, Jill's team subject matter experts, SMEs, record ZAPTEST video scenarios that are then used by Jack's specialists for automation. When automated, Jack's team auto-generates documentation coverage and schedules bots for mass execution using multiple virtual workstations. Unlike other available solutions, ZAPTEST does not require any application instrumentation, and as long as business process logic remains the same, ZAPTEST script executes as is. Using ZAPTEST, Jack's team moved into a centralized role within ABC Enterprises, offering generalized TEST+RPA process automation that is now used by dev and test as well as ops teams, and saves the company over 70% of the operational budget. To learn more, please visit us at www.zaptest.com.